In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Candy Crush Saga not loading. If you are trying to log into your Candy Crush Saga or simply play with your Candy Crush Saga game, but if it is not loading on your device, then there could be several reasons for that. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. Drag from the top of the screen and enable your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you are connected to a stable internet, you might be able to fix your issue. Since Candy Crush Saga requires an internet connection to load and synchronize your progress. If the problem still persists, then simply restart the game. Close off Candy Crush Saga from your game. Simply tap on the menu button at the bottom left and this will open up the app switcher. Simply drag your Candy Crush Saga towards the upper side of the screen and you make sure to do that for all of the application running on your background at the moment. And once you close off the application, simply go ahead and restart it by tapping open Candy Crush Saga from your app drawer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the temporary issue. Another thing you should watch out for is to update your application now and then. Make sure you're using the latest version of Candy Crush Saga. To check that, go and open up your Play Store or your App Store from your app drawer and then go to the search box and type in Candy Crush and search. If you see an update button popping up right beneath the app, then you should tap on the update button to begin downloading the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your Android. Once you have the application updated, you will be able to fix your issue right away. If the problem still continues, ensure that your device has sufficient storage available, because lack of storage spaces can cause apps including Candy Crush Saga not to load properly. So, go ahead and spot any application you no longer use and press hold the application. Now in the pop-up, tap on uninstall and tap on OK in the pop-up at the bottom to uninstall unnecessary application that is cluttering your storage space on your phone. Repeat this step for every other application you no longer use, and then after you do that, you will be able to free up storage on your phone. Soon after you free up some storage, launch open Candy Crush Saga and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, then simply go ahead and delete Candy Crush Saga from your device and reinstall it again, and that might be able to fix your problem right away right there. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to load Candy Crush Saga on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.